Hi, welcome to SR Packaging. I'm going to take you through the entire Airless bottle collection with different shapes and size for you to choose. We started this project on 2018. We developed diamond shaped, square shape, and the most common cylinder shape. And then we decided to have this Airless Turtle. And by end of 2019, we have this Amari. It's a 100 ml bottle matched with a twist lock dispenser. And then we have this 180 ml bottle matched with 1 cc oil pump. And this year, we introduced refillable solution, which is eco-airless bottles that fits in most of the packaging design that are available in the world. For example, this ACE 115B, it fits in this one and this one and this one. So you can have a look at our entire collection to find out what would be the best solution for you, or you can get in contact with SRP sales team to find out if your current packaging design fits in the Eco-Alice bottle, and you can turn it into a PCR solution immediately. If you need more information, please contact us or visit our website. Thanks.